Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is episode 86 of the Building a Law Firm podcast. What is up, everybody? Hopefully you're having a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. It's so early in the year that I hope you're having a great one, at least so far. I'm having a wonderful year so far. It's early, right? I'm recording this on January 9th. I just got back from Cabo. It's Content Tuesday. We're crushing it, and I'm excited to be here talking to you. If you're new to the show, as always, I can do this all the time, but this show is about you, the law firm owner, how to make your first six figures, how to get your next six figures, how to be a great law firm owner, how to be a great person, how to have the right mindset for success, and basically, I think that lawyers are given a decent education in law school to be a lawyer. They're given zero education when it comes to being a business owner. Okay, and this includes marketing, management, leadership, mindset, cash flow. All kinds of fun and interesting stuff. So I hope to be the voice in your ear that helps you take action, take that next step, get that first client, get that next client, whatever it is. But I want to be here and I want to help push you to success. That's my goal. All right. And today we're going to talk about something pretty interesting, something that I've been thinking about and noticing in myself lately, something I'm really dedicated to doing in 2018. And, the topic, I guess, the title I think is going to be something like, the long road or the short road to law firm success. And it's not a great title. I'll come with something better. But essentially, what I want to talk about is the two ways that you can approach your business. Okay, the first road is the road that I was on for a long time, and I think most new law firm owners find themselves on. And it's a road that if you don't get off, if you aren't committed to getting off as quickly as possible, you can just find yourself there forever, and it's not a place that you want to be. So this road that I'm talking about is the kind, and I guess the perfect way to do this is to give you a situation that I'm thinking about right now, and then letting you think about how you would approach it, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I'm in Seattle, Washington, and one of my goals, one of my goals is to open a California office at some point. Okay. I'm not going to tell you why, because I don't want you to do it. But anyway, I think there's just a lot of opportunity all over the place. And one of my goals is to open a California office. I am not licensed to practice law in California. All right. So, knowing those two things, what is your approach to solving this problem? Go. I'm not going to wait this long. I guess what I would say is maybe pause this, think about what you would do, and then start the tape up, because I'm not going to just sit here in silence for a long time. But my original approach, and this is sort of the long road, the road that you don't necessarily want to be on, was to register and study for the bar exam, take the bar exam, and then open an office down there, right, eventually, and be able to do work down there. Okay, that's the long road. And then I started thinking to myself, if my plan goes the way that I want it to, which basically means I create a model that works here in Seattle, that is great, that does good business, and then I can drop it anywhere, right? That's my ultimate plan. Why can't I just hire a California attorney to do the legal work for me, right? Why can't I just hire the people that I need to do the work that I need? Because I'm pretty sure that it's not, I think the only requirement to own a law firm anywhere is to be a lawyer. I don't think that you have to be licensed in any particular state to own a law firm. Now, to practice law, I would agree that you do, right? So why wouldn't I at least consider this as a route that works? Because it's faster. It really accomplishes my number one goal, right, which is to give people a great service in California. I don't have to be, nor do I really want to be at the end of the day, the person doing the legal work for all of my clients, right? I want to be sort of at the top, making sure that the systems are good, the processes are good, the people are great, that the people are qualified, that they're experienced, that they know what they're doing, right? And I'm here, big vision guy, right? That means, while right now, I have to be some of those other roles, and that's what I'm doing here in Seattle. But why wouldn't I go out and look for good talent to fill those roles that I need so that I can fulfill my role, right, and my responsibilities? And I wanted to talk about this because this happens so often to all of us every day. You think you want to work on your website, but instead of just going and hiring somebody for cheap, by the way, that's really good, that knows what they're doing, and having it done for you, you go and take the time to try to learn HTML or how to like put up a new WordPress theme. Or instead of hiring someone to answer the phones for you, you go back and forth and you think about like, oh, what kind of service should I use? Instead of just going and getting somebody and trying it out, you do it yourself. I know people that have been answering their own phones for years. I'm like, what are you doing? It's cheap. It's effective. And why wouldn't you do that? I just hired a part-time attorney to work for me, to help me out with some of the legal work that I've got. He's got experience in some places that I don't, and he is going to be able to fill that hole. I'm not going to have to go learn this part of the law that I could learn, but it's going to take me a long time. And again, it doesn't fulfill my highest and best role. So that's what this podcast is about. If you really want to be a business owner, and you don't have to be creating a big law firm, but if you want to create a situation where you can take a vacation, where you can maybe just not go to work one day, right? Or where you can focus on the things that you really love, you need to be able to fill those other roles with other people or other things, right? And not always think me first when a problem arises. I'm having we have somebody that puts our Christmas lights up. We have somebody that they're getting taken down today. We have somebody that takes them down. Now, yeah, I could figure out how to put up great Christmas lights. I could get up on the roof. I could do all this stuff. But you know what? It's not what I do best. So there are other people that I can pay that work faster, that do it well, that don't injure me, that can do it. So I want you to be thinking about how can you incorporate this into your own practice? How can you take this information and these strategies and employ them in your own practice so that you can have more time to do the things that are important for your business, that are important for you, that are important for everything, right? That will give you more time, that will give you more flexibility, that will give you the ability to just do what you want. All right, so, do you want to take the long road or the short road? It's really up to you. All right, that is it. That might be the title of the podcast. I think that was pretty good. As always, I'm going to end with a call to action. If you want more of this, if you want more great strategies, if you want legit specific how-to stuff with Facebook ads and Google ads and networking and content creation and blogging and all this stuff, then you can join Infinity Clients Workshop. It's $97 a month, and it's amazing. I truly believe you can spend $1,000 or so over the course of a year and make an extra 100,000. It's that good. And the longer you stay in, the more content that you take in, the more action you take, the higher your returns. So anywho, if you're interested in that, buildingalawfirm.com/infinity. Go check it out. You won't be disappointed, and you'll get to hang out with me some more. All right, so on that note, again, I always appreciate your time. If you think somebody could benefit from this, send it to them, okay? Subscribe. The more people that listen, the better. All right, that is it. I'm done. See you next time.